All right, so I got the Glock 19, the Gen 5. As most of y'all already know, this is my EDC. But today I'm gonna be talking about why I recommend this gun as a duty gun, as a battle gun, and I'm gonna tell you why you should get a Gen 5, bruh. Glock 19, I ain't gonna lie, definitely duty capable. At the range, I'm a little more nervous, but when I'm out here in the field, it's more than just a drill, baby. It's Call of Duty.
Just you need some gas on.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Warrior for Christ. My bad, that was a little close, wasn't it? I just wanted to get up and and just, you know what I'm saying, kiss y'all, bro. What's up? That's fun. That's fun. That was a joke. So today I'm gonna be reviewing the Glock 19 Gen 5. Let's go ahead and get a look at that baby real quick. Y'all ready? Y'all ready to see what it look like?
Oh, no.
Hold on, bro. They catfish me, bro.
Go home and get the gun.
No, I'm just playing. I catfish y'all though. But if y'all, this is the Taurus G2C. If y'all want to see a full video on this, I'm gonna do a review on this as well. I just gotta ask my wife. It's like I ain't gotta ask. I'm gonna just take it. No, it's fine. I'm gonna probably get beat up. But no, this is her EDC. It's the Fortnite build. So I'm gonna do a review on this as well. But let me show y'all the real Glock 19. Voila. I just made this from nothing but sticks. And as you can see, it's the Glock 19 Gen 5. And it's beautiful. It's a beautiful creature. There's nothing else like it. So here's the real Glock 19. This is my EDC. Not a bad gun. It came in at 649 dollars. I threw the O-light on it. I changed out the iron sights. I changed out the back plate, and I got that beaver tail on it. I am going to eventually cut the beaver tail, but I ain't trying to mess with all that right now. I chose the Glock 19 because I'm a left-handed shooter, and there's not too many guns out there where you can switch the mag release, and the slide release is actually ambidextrous. So that came out great. For all y'all left-handed shooters out there, this might help y'all out. So it's not a bad gun. I shoot it. It's very accurate, as you can see. All right, so I want to do an accuracy test real quick. So I got it set up for about 7 yards, 10 yards, about 7 yards. It's probably 7 yards. So I'm gonna do an accuracy test, and then I'm gonna show y'all the target and see how accurate a Glock 19 Gen 5 can be. So when I don't rack one right off the rep, there ain't never one in there. But it's cool. All right, not too bad, not too bad. 1 and then 2 went in that hole. I took 5 shots, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not bad. I was aiming down here. For some reason, I'm shooting a little high, but I can live with that, bro. All right, I'm gonna shoot 5 more. We know where those at. I might throw some duct tape on it, but 5 more, and then we go really see if I can hold that tight grouping. Not too bad. I did keep this group way better. I kept that grouping way tighter than I did that first round. So it's not too bad, bro. I am out here getting some training in. I definitely look forward to taking some classes for sure, especially when it comes to my rifle because I'm a beginner. Everybody got to start somewhere. So I appreciate y'all for the comments. A lot of y'all do be helping me. Y'all helping me improve. So I appreciate y'all, bro. Y'all 100. So I'm going to go ahead and get back to shooting, man. Today I did find a range that I can shoot some steel. So I'm going to be shooting some steel. I'm going to definitely get some steel in there. Whew, it's about to be that. Whew, it's about to be that. Whew. Stop playing. That boy might be a shooter. That was fun. I just pointed at it and then pull the trigger. I'm trying to see something. See, your bullet is pointing, you're hitting it down. So try to pull the trigger without even moving off the sight. Safety real quick. You're doing way better. You see how that, you know what I mean? He got that cannon. Oh my God.
Stupid target. Looks like I'm going a little high.
That,
what's up?
that thing is mad crazy.
That thing's nasty.
Yeah.
I
Woo, this thing is. I'm holding on tight. I'm scared.
You got it. Just hold it. Just hold
Damn.
it.
Careful, it's live.
Yep. Woo.
Oh.
I put it on safety.
Oh, right on.
I should have put my glasses on. Woo. That's a lot of dirt. There's another one in there?
Yeah, there's 4.
Alright, I'm holding this one.
Dude, that thing's loud. Okay.
Okay. So up is off.
Yeah, just hold on tight to it.
You.
Squeeze it hard. You're on safe.
You just put, okay, there you go.
Hold it tight.
How did it feel?
It's got a lot of power. Okay, yeah.
That's a gangster gun.
Yeah, well,
That would have got me killed right there. Let me retry that. Hold on. Boy out here getting dirty. Action Jackson. Someone came back and hit me. Whew. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, the Glock 19 is my favorite firearm. It's a decent gun. And it's, I ain't gonna say budget, because there's a lot of other guns that you can pick up cheaper. But Glock 19 is it's high quality, and it's definitely decent. And I like it, bro. So I'm gonna always be a Glock fan. Don't be a Glock hater. Just get with the program, you know what I'm saying?
You need some gas on.
Alright, y'all. There's a lot of reasons I chose the Glock 19. Glock is reliable. They've been around for a long time. A lot of people don't like them because they look like they a Minecraft gun or something like that. But they actually, the Glock 19, they actually made it a little bit smoother. This is my EDC, so I'm gonna go ahead and check, make sure it's safe and clear. It's safe, clear, safe direction. I went with the Glock 19 Gen 5 model. Bro, to me, I ain't had no problems with it. None whatsoever. I am going to swap out. I'm going to buy a different slide so I can get the MOS version and throw a Holosun on there or some kind of optic on there. But I'm thinking Holosun. You don't want to, basically, you don't want to cheap out. You want to find somewhere in the middle when it comes to quality and what you pay, because you really do get what you pay. So if you cheap out on something like a red dot, 9 times out of 10 you go get a poopy red dot, it ain't gonna hold 0, and then you go be shooting all over the place and be like, man, I'm doing everything right, but I still can't hit. So, but that's besides the point. I'm a left-handed shooter, so for me, finding something that I can easily work with was my priority. I ain't want to have to shoot with my left hand and come up and figure out a way to hit that mag release with this finger. Some people do it. I want to say they use the Glock 19 Gen 3, so I salute y'all if y'all train that way. But I wasn't finna do all that, bro. If it ain't ambidextrous, I ain't getting it. I'm just saying, I ain't getting it, because there's a lot of right-hand shooters out there. And when it comes to holsters, bro, why is it so hard for me to find a decent holster? Why? Like, I want a holster where I can have a leg strap, bro. Those be looking clutch. They be looking tactical, and I want one. So I'm gonna get one eventually. But yeah, man, I feel like they treat left-handed shooters unfair. Like right-hand shooters, I mean, I get there's a majority of y'all, bro, but we can square up, bro. Like, what's up? Like, what's up? We can go toe to toe. Catch you with that left one. But, whoo, Glock 19, decent firearm. I had it for some time now, not too long. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm a new shooter, but that trigger, it's not bad. Little play, pull, and then that reset. Chris, come up, pull. Not bad at all. It's really not bad at all. I'm thinking about throwing a threaded barrel on there, just to increase that accuracy. And then if I want to throw a suppressor on there, or even a comp, I might throw a comp on there. I might end up getting some slide cuts, but I'm gonna wait for that MOS version. And then I'm gonna get some slide cuts, and I might port a couple of them in the top to kind of drop some of that recoil. It's not bad. It ain't. I mean, the recoil is a 9mm, so it's not bad at all. So, but I rock with this gun. I love this gun, and I probably won't ever get it. It's a little dirty. Probably won't ever get rid of it, because it's my first handgun. So it's gonna always be in my collection, regardless. I think I'm gonna get a stipple job done on it, and then I want to get a custom slide plate, and I want it to say Christ Gang on it. I want one side to say Christ Gang and the other side to say Warrior for Christ, and I think that's gonna be lit. So I'm gonna definitely end up customizing this gun. So make sure y'all tune in, man. Make sure y'all lock in, and if you're new, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it. If you want to see this gun decked out, bro, when it's finally finished, make sure you subscribe, bro, because that video is gonna come in the future, and it's gonna be lit. And it's gonna be something, since it's my EDC, it's gonna be something tied to me. Like I said, Christ Gang and then Warrior for Christ. But I don't know exactly how I'm gonna do it yet. I'm gonna take some time. I'm gonna draw it out, write it out, plan it out, and then I want to see it come alive, because I love this gun. So if you're thinking about getting you a Glock 19 Gen 5, bro, you can't really go wrong with it. Even if you just getting a Glock, bro, you can't really go wrong with a Glock, because they already made a name for themselves. So just like I'm trying to do with this YouTube channel, trying to make a name for myself. Glock is already proven to work. You know what I'm saying? So it don't matter. Because at the end of the day, most of my guns are gonna be Glock 2, bruh. I'll be right back.